Today you're going to learn how to make your very own jasmine ribbon flower. See how pretty it is? And I'm also going to teach you how to make it into a clip. Hello, my name is Liz and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you would like to learn how to make handmade flowers, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Alright, so let's begin.
To make this ribbon flower, you would need the following: a 30 by 5 centimeter velvet ribbon, scissors, pins, and hot glue. Fold the ribbon in half lengthwise and then secure with pins. This is important because the ribbon would move a lot when you make the petals. After securing the ribbon, cut diagonal lines from the fold on the entire length of the ribbon. The ideal thickness of each fringe is between 3 millimeters to 8 millimeters. In this tutorial, I use 6 millimeters. Now I'm just going to trim off the excess fabrics on each side. When you lay your ribbon flat on your table, make sure that the back side is facing up and the pointed part of the ribbon should be pointing to your left. Add glue along the edge starting from 1 centimeter from the ribbon's end and then stick both edges together. Continue gluing the ribbon's edges together on the entire length of the ribbon. When you are done gluing, flip the ribbon so that the pointy end is now facing to the right. Add a bead of glue on the cap and then fold. Now we add the strip of glue next to the fold and then start rolling the petals. I make sure that the base is flat because it makes embellishing easier. The last petal usually sticks out in an awkward way, so to fix this, we put a bead of glue on the side of this petal and then stick it on the base. This will stretch and widen the petal so it will have the same size as the others. So this is what the other flowers would look like using different petal thickness. Alright, so now we're going to use this flower to make a cute hair clip. To make the hair clip, we would need the following: an 8 by 6 centimeter tulle fabric, berries, an alligator clip, a round felt, scissors, and hot glue. Get your 2 stalks of berries and arrange them where one is higher than the other, and then fold them in half. Twist the stalks and then set aside. Now get the felt and fold it in half. Cut 2 slits that are parallel to each other. Make sure that the 2 slits would fit the width of the alligator clip. Insert the alligator clip and position the felt at the middle. Glue the part of each flap that is touching the alligator clip. Now we've made the base of our hair clip. Now we get the tulle and then fold it in half with a slight angle so that you can see all the 4 corners. Let me just trim the excess fabric. Now that looks better. So going back, we now fold the tulle in thirds towards the middle. Get your clip base and add a strip of glue from the center going outwards and then stick the folded tulle. Repeat the process with your remaining tulle patches. Make sure that they don't overlap on each other. Test how you want your flower and your berries positioned on the clip. Make sure that the berries are not on top of the alligator clip's handle. Glue the berries and the flower on the base. And there you have it, a super dainty hair flower that your little one would love.